This is our standard ultrasonic metal welder. It is a compact and efficient solution for your wire welding needs. Now, let's show you how to use it. This is the 24V output connection cable. The interfaces at both ends are the same. We connect to the port of the generator and the port of the welding machine respectively. This is a high-frequency output cable, and the interfaces at both ends are the same. Let's connect them separately. This is the common connection cable. Let's connect them separately. This is the compressed air input tube. Let's plug it in. This is a pedal switch. Let's connect to the welder. This is a power cable. Note that the power supply is 220 voltage. Connect the air source. Ensure that the minimum value of the air source is 0.5 mA, and the maximum value is 0.6 mA. Click the power switch. When the panel shows data, we click the frequency scanning button to check if the generator and transducer are connected and working well. Now the frequency is 19.98 kHz, it's within normal range. Then we click the test button to check whether the ultrasonic welding horn works normally or not. The click time should not be more than 5 seconds. Generally, the sound is relatively stable and soft. If there is a harsh and strange sound, please check the connection of the welding head, or replace the welding head. Now the sound is okay, it's ready to start welding. Now we choose 2 wires for trial welding. The cross section is 5 square millimeters. There is a welding reference table on the panel of the welding machine. You can refer to the data in this table to set the welding parameters. Here the wire gauge is 5 square millimeters, so we can set the parameters as these values to have a test. This is the digital watch, which is used to adjust the breadth of the welding area. Rotate the digital watch clockwise to decrease the value, and rotate it counterclockwise to increase the value. The maximum value is 38. According to the reference table, here we set the value to 10.3. And we put the wires to the welding area. Note that the 2 wires should be layered together and placed on the right side, not all flat on the welding area. Click the breadth debugging button to observe whether the breadth setting is appropriate or not. We can see the breadth can be adjusted a little bit smaller, so we adjust the digital watch, and click the breadth debugging button again to check it's okay or not. Now it is okay for breadth setting. Then we go to the generator panel to set the welding time, as the reference table suggests the welding time is 0.5 seconds. Other values have been set before leaving the factory. Let's try welding to see the effect. If the effect is not satisfactory in the later stage, you can reset these values. The last step, let's set the air pressure. The reference table suggests the value is 0.5, so we rotate the knob to adjust the value. That's all for the parameters setting. We put the wires to the welding area, and step on the pedal switch. The welder starts to weld, and we can see the welding result. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us.